Hi everybody! It's the end of November and we're coming into winter, but before we do, I thought we'd take one last look at some fall colors and fall leaves. I went around my neighborhood today and found a number of leaves that live in the area, and I was going to show you what they are and tell you the names of them today. Then I have an interesting book to show you of some art projects you can do with leaves. So let's take a look at the leaves first and the vocabulary and names for the leaves from these different trees. All right, here they are. All right, you can see here we have a number of different trees with a lot of fall color still coming through. Over here we have the maples. This is a maple leaf. And these two are also Japanese maple leaves with a lot of red color. You can tell by all these different points on the maple, the 3 points. We also have something called basswood, which almost makes a heart shape if you look at it like this, but not quite. These are turning a nice yellow right now in my neighborhood. This is a ginkgo tree leaf, which grows around the world, and I'm sure many of you have seen ginkgo trees before. We also have an oak that is changing color quite rapidly. It's already gone to brown. But I also found some other oaks that are still green. And the oak has a little bit of a nut, that grows on the tree called an acorn. This is the acorn nut that grows on an oak tree. Now here are some plants that aren't going to change color. We have ivy. And ivy grows in a vine, not in a tree. And we have a holly branch. Holly branches and holly leaves are associated with the winter season that's coming up because they don't change color and stay green throughout the year. People often use holly to decorate for the Christmas season in the United States. Then we have a number of different types of evergreens. And these are different from other leaves in that they have pine needles or needles on them. So their leaves are straight and skinny and often pointy. These are 3 different kinds of evergreens that also are associated with the winter season in the US because they stay green throughout the year, and that's where they get their name, evergreen. Okay, so these are the different leaves that I found around my neighborhood today. And now I wanted to show you a book that has some ideas of how you can use leaves in an art project and also talks about the shapes of leaves. Here's the book that I was talking about called Look What I Did with a Leaf. So if you were to go around your neighborhood and collect leaves like I did, you could do all sorts of art with them, like in this book, making different types of animals. This book also has a really nice page that shows different leaves and their shapes. So over here we have star-shaped leaves. Those ones are like the maples that we looked at. We have heart-shaped leaves, which are like the bass oak, a little bit like the ginkgo. Then there's tall and skinny, and a mitten shaped, just like a hand, a mitten. And then also we have some of the pointed leaves like the oak that we looked at. Well, that's it for now. Enjoy the last few days of fall before we enter into winter, at least those of us in the northern hemisphere here. I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day.